Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magluto ng igado. So let's get cooking! So our first ingredient is our 1/2 kilograms of pork cut into strips. Next is 1/4 kilo of pork liver. We have 1 piece medium-sized sliced onions, half a carrot, 1 piece small-sized bell pepper cut also into strips, 2 pieces regular-sized potatoes, green peas. We also have tomato sauce, and the last ingredient is Liverspread. This ingredient is also optional. Start by heating our pan. We add 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil or lard. Saute our onion until it's fragrant and lamp. Then add our pork. All for today, guys. Kung bago ka sa aking channel at nagustuhan mo ang ating video, please don't forget to like and comment down below kung meron kang suggestions ng kahit anong pwede nating lutuin. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka kung meron tayong bagong videos. Bye!